Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for your English class? Today we'll do the textual grammar portion of poem 5, First Day at School. We have a very short and interesting exercise. So come on, take out your textbooks. See, take out page number 34, grammar portion. What you have to do? Naming words one and more than one. You have already studied in your grammar chapters, naming words one and more than one. How will you change the words from one to more than one? To show more than one thing, we add s, es, IES or VES. When we have to change to more than one, we add S, ES, IES or VES. You already know the rules, okay? So, let us do for revision. Example, one boy. He is one boy, and now if there are three boys, so you will add S. Right? One glass, and if you have more than one, that means two glasses, what you will add? ES. So now complete the crossword with more than one. You have to complete the crossword with more than one naming words. Use the clues from the box. See children, you are having here down and across. Down means downwards, across means sideways. Okay? So first we will complete downwards. Number 1. More than one dish. More than one dish. We have a dish and we have to write the answer for more than one dish. So in the crossword you will search for the number 1. Here it is. So what will be the answer? Downwards. You have to see downwards. D, I, S, H, E, S. See, H was already written for you and D was already written for you. What we did? We just added ES to make it more than one. So it becomes dishes. Second, more than one nest. Again you will look downwards and search the second number. More than one nest becomes nests. है ना? N, E, S, T, S. Nests. Okay? Fourth, more than one life. More than one life. Fourth number, where it is here and downwards. So FE will cancel and change into VES. So L, I, V is already written. ES. So it becomes lives. Okay. More than one life become lives. Now across. Downwards is completed. Now we will look at across. First, more than one diary. What becomes the plural form of diary? If you have one diary and if you have three, so it becomes diaries. So, first and sideways. First, see D, I, A, R. And now instead of Y we will write IES. I, E and S, it's already there. So it becomes diaries. Third, more than one table. More than one table. More than one table becomes tables. So look for the third number and sideways, that means across. T, B, T, A, B, L, and you will write first the spelling of table and then you have to add only S. Tables, tables. More than one box. Fifth number across. Search for the fifth number here. Across. Box. What will the plural form of box? Boxes. What you will add? ES. What will be the plural form of box? Boxes. BOX, E and S is already written. Boxes. Okay, so here your game of crossword is completed and I hope now you have understood naming words one and more than one. So children, do this as your homework. I hope you have done along with me, and if not, then now do it by yourself, okay? So now we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.